Got the SCX pit box set. Put it together. Got 3 cars with it. Corvette. The Porsche 911 and the BMW M3. Let's turn the lights on. Bam, baby! Look at those xenons in that Beamer. Let's see. Move out the way, Beamer. What do you think, Nikolai? You like it? Here. I'm gonna pull the Porsche off the track. Let's race the Beamer and the Corvette. Oh! Oh! The Beamer wins, baby. You can switch tracks. Boom. Watch this. I'm gonna switch right here. Push the button. Push it again. I'll switch over with the push of a button. Bam. Bam. Now check this out. See how my gas level is going down? Notice how the gas is going down by every lap I pass. So now I'm going to go in the pit box. Wait. I'm going to go in the pit box right now. Push the button to open my gas cap. Start filling out my car. As you can see, the gas is filling up. Close my gas cap and I'm ready to go, baby. Oh! Wipe out! Bentley! Did you do that, Bentley? Bentley!